Hey, this is Rodell. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to build wealth through real estate investing. With zero to little money down, you can get started today by building riches in real estate. So please make sure you subscribe and destroy the like button. So, real estate investing is one of the ways and means to passive income. Income where you don't even have to worry about where your income is coming next. It's so easy. You just wake up at the end of the month, collect your money. And I'm going to show you how to get started. It's one of the best ways to invest and to gain access to wealth. Sort of like dividend income investing, where you have to buy a whole bunch of shares, and those dividends will pay you quarterly, yearly, or even monthly, which takes a lot of time to gain that income because you have to buy so much shares. But with real estate investing, you can actually use other people's money to get started. Now, real estate has its tax advantages. Yes, the difference between stocks and real estate is that there's more upkeep. Where with stock, you just invest. You don't have to upkeep the company. You don't have to worry about things breaking down. You don't have any tenants. But your income fluctuates. The stock market goes up, it goes down. And right now you see that, the stock market is not knowing whether it's going to crash or not crash. So the way that you can get started is you can go to a family member, friends, colleague, if you don't have any money, and say, I need you to gift me this money. I need you to gift me money. From $3,000 to $10,000, I need the gift, and you're gonna get it back. But you have to let that gift of money stay in your bank account for 3 months. For 3 months, go to a lender. Say I want to qualify for FHA program that will give me first-time home buyers assistance. So they'll be able to put the $8,000 towards your closing costs or however much money you qualify. Talk everything over with your lender. Let them know what you're trying to do. The money that you get from your family member, you let it stay in the bank for 3 months. Make sure when the loan closes that you have enough money left over so that you will be able to repay them. Once they are repaid, then you can go out and start getting a tenant, things of that nature, to invest in rental property. So that's one of the ways that you can get started. Now, there's certain gurus, real estate gurus, that will tell you, okay, you need to have multiple doors, single family home, multifamily. But I say when you're getting started and this is your first time, to start with one door so you'll be able to gain that experience, because right now you don't have experience. Hire a property management team, because what this does, it alleviates you from time-consuming product, from time-consuming things that goes on with the real estate rental that you might have. Drawing up the paperwork, God forbid if the tenant stops paying the rent, you would have to take them to court. The paperwork has to be right to a T. If it's not, you won't be able to evict the tenant. You won't be able to evict them. Also, they'll be able to take care of they'll have a list of people when something happens with the property. They'll be able to go out and fix it. So there's disadvantages and advantages, of having multiple doors and not having multiple doors. I mean, you're gonna be getting income from that, and you can see and analyze. All right, do I want to go on to the next property? Do I want to make that investment to the next property? Now, if you don't want the headache or the heartache of investing and doing it yourself, what you can do is we have a team. We have a team of investors that are already buying properties, flipping properties. And what we do is we require a minimum down payment or minimum investment. And this is sort of more like dividend investment also. Because once you put your money in, the profit that we make off of properties, you will see a percentage of it, and it will be mailed to you each month. And I'm going to leave the link below and how to get in contact with me and my team, so you will be able to get started. It's a very simple and easy system. So I gave you two options. Gifting as an option to start it yourself, or a minimum investment. Now you can get that gift from your family member, friends, colleague, and give it to experienced investors and say, hey, to the one you borrowed the money from, I'll give you 10 to 15% on top of the money that you gave me. So now when you get your percentage, you can give them that money. And you'll also have a piece of money, and then you can reinvest it again. So that link will be at the screen below. So you'll be able to get in touch with our team. And we'll go over all the financials and make sure that you are really qualified to start investing. This is one of the ways that you can start building wealth, because right now we're going through a terrible time. Inflation is happening right now. If you only have one source of income, you are in a state of emergency. I guarantee you are in a state of emergency. What real estate investing does is through this passive income, as we're moving along, investing property after property after property, that's putting multiple sources of income in your pocket just through real estate. You want to have a business, because if you have a job, nothing is guaranteed. And you see that with the current events that happen in this country, through everything getting shut down. And now when these jobs or the economy starts to roll back again, some of these jobs that were here before are not going to be here when everything goes back to normal. So you have to prepare yourself for if another event like this happens, you won't be left out in the dust. So contact me, my team. We've been doing this for a while, for years. We will put money in your pocket, or we will guide you through on how to do it yourself. So make sure you click the subscribe, destroy the like button. I'm just here to help you better your financial situation, the prophet of all prophets. I'm out.